Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Garg. I am from SIRT College. Today we will learn about computer network. So let's start. Computer network. We can say that a computer network is a group of computers in which a set of common communication protocol is over digital communication for the purpose of sharing resources located on or provided by the network mode. Or we can say that the purpose of having computer network is to send and receive the data stored in other devices over the network. It will be the devices which will be referred from node to node, and the computer network is a group of devices which will be connected to the transmission medium such as wire or cable or etc. The devices can be like computer, printer, scanner, fax machine, and etc. So in this, there will be a sender, and other side there will be a receiver, which will be connected through transmission medium, in which message will be transferred, and there will be protocols. So message will do data and information transferred from one device to another device over a network. And sender is a device that has the data and need to send the data to other devices connected to the network. After that, receiver will do which will be the data from other devices on the network received from other devices through transmission medium or network, in which in order to transfer that data from one device to another device, we need a transmission medium such as wire, cable, radio waves, etc. And receiver will receive that particular command or communication or data. After that, protocol is a set of rules that are agreed by both sender and receiver. Without that protocol, two devices can be connected, but each devices cannot be communicate with each other. In order to establish a reliable connection or data sharing between two different devices, we need set of rules that are called protocol. So this is the computer network. Moving forward. So what the computer network do? Computer network are used to carry out a large number of tasks through the sharing of information, and some of the things that computer networks are used to include we can say that used for include, that is communicating using email, video, and instant messaging, and other method also. And next is sharing devices such as printer, scanner, and photocopier, such as sharing files, such as sharing software and operating program, or on remote system, or it will allow the network user to easily access and maintain the information. There are some important goals of computer network, that is resource sharing, high reliability, inter-process communication, and flexible access. So this is the what computer network do. So types of computer network. There are mainly three types of computer network based on their size, and they are used nowadays more. So the first one is local area network, second one is a metropolitan area network, and third one is wide area network. So local area network is a group of computer that are connected with each other in small places such as school, hospital, apartment, and etc. And LAN is used for connecting two or more personal computer through a communication medium such as twisted pair, coaxial cable, coaxial and etc. It is less costly as it is built with in expensive hardware such as a hub, network adapter, and Ethernet cables, and the data which is transferred at an extremely faster rate in local area network. So this is the advantage of this, and the local network area provides higher security. So here you can see the diagram of the local area network. This diagram, which is connected through a server, and printer, Mac, PCs, all are connected with each other. So the next one is a metropolitan area network, or we can say here MAN. So metropolitan area network is a network that covers a large area or a geographical area by interconnecting a different land from a larger networks. So from government agency use MAN to connect to the citizen and private industries also. In MAN, various LANs are connected with each other through a telephone exchange line. And most widely used protocol in MAN are RS-232, frame relay, ATM, and etc. And it has a higher range than local area network. So this you can see the local metropolitan area network. There is this office building, university campus, government building, and residential area. So basically, the advantage of MAN is used to communicate between the bank in a city, and it is used in a airline reservation system. It is used in college within a city. It is also be used for communication in the military areas. So this is the network which is used in different types of networks. And the third one is wide area networks. So wide area networks provide long distance transmission of data, and the size of WAN is larger than MAN and LAN. So the wide area network is extremely over a large geographical area such as state or country also. And a wide area network is quite better network than LAN, as I already told you. And a wide area network is not limited to a single location. It spans over a large geographical area through a telephone line, fiber optical cable, and satellite links. And the internet is one of the biggest WAN in world. So this is the biggest one and example also. And the wide area network is widely used in the field of business, government, and education sector. So here you can see the wide area network diagram also. There are different types of LAN connected to a WAN. So thank you everyone. Stay tuned and keep learning with SIIT Bhopal.